Hey everybody, Fotoman here, and today we are in we're southeast of Calgary, in the country, at a 1909 old school called Liberty School. Sort of like the insurance company in the U.S., Liberty, Liberty, Liberty. But yes, this is Liberty School, 1909. I'll have the history from our favorite school book, Pioneering with a Piece of Chalk, in the description. As always, thank you so much for tuning in to the channel and tuning in for another video. Your support is greatly appreciated. I know I probably don't say that enough, but it really is. It really keeps me going on my trips. So thank you so much.